Yes. So guys, this is the user interface that you will see after logging into your account. So as you can see, you cannot see anything here in the app, and it is of course as you are not having any device connected to it. So what we have to do in the next step is just take out this bulb and plug it into the socket. Now you have to turn this bulb on. Let me just quickly turn it on. Yes, so as you can see that the bulb is turned on, and now you search it, so still you are not seeing anything in this app. So what you have to do is now you have to connect the bulb to your Wi-Fi. So go to the Wi-Fi settings of your phone and search for the default name of the bulb, as it is having its own hotspot. Now let it search. Just turn it off for the first time and turn it on. You will see the bulb with its default name. Let's just turn on the Wi-Fi of your mobile. So it is taking some time to search. Let it search. The bulb will come with its default name. Yes, so as you can see, this Rosso LB54, it will come again. This takes usually less than a minute. It will come again. It is searching. Yes, so you can see this Rosso LB54 8555D. So what you have to do is connect to this Wi-Fi, enter its default password. That is default password, it's, let me, 1234567 let me just show it to you. 1234567. So this is the default password, and when you will tap on the connect, it will get connected. It will take some time and will just get connected to this network. You will see that it is connected to Rosso L. So this has come here and it is connecting now, and it's taking some time and it will get connected. So as you can see the message, it has been connected to Rosso L. Now all you have to do is just go back to your app, open the SmartClick app. Let me find it and just open it. Yes, so in the app now you can see that our bulb has come into the picture. So this is the bulb and this is the application. So you can see that you can control the brightness of the bulb from here, that is this panel. As you can see, the brightness is dimming and brightness is more. Okay, so you can turn it on and off from this button, off, on. Now what you have to do is that you have to configure this bulb to your device or to your home network. So what you have to do, just click on this bulb icon. So you will see this interface. This is for adjusting the color of the bulb, that is from yellow to this, and this is the brightness. As you can see, the brightness is controlled from here, and also let me show you the color. This is white and this is warm yellow. So now to configure it to your home network, what you have to do is go on the top right corner and settings. So here you can see all your device information, that is its network SSID name, model number, and the device name. As you can customize this name from this button. So let's get configured it to our home network. So as you click on this setting button, you will see this Wi-Fi SSID and password. So what here you have to type is, now here you have to type your home network Wi-Fi name and password. In Wi-Fi SSD you have to type your Wi-Fi name. So I am typing my Wi-Fi name, that is, and please make sure guys that you type this Wi-Fi name and password very correct. Okay, as it is also case sensitive, so just type in the same as your Wi-Fi network is having the name. So let me just type my Wi-Fi network of home or the company, that is SPIKING spiking net technologies. Please make sure guys the name is very correct, and type in the password of your home network. Let me just type my home network password as pk @12345 6. Please make sure guys that you have typed in the correct password of your home network and just click on this configure button. So now if you will see that that name has changed to your home network. My is this, and your network name will be shown here. Your network name and password will be shown here. Okay, so what you have to do is, now it has been configured. Now you have to go back and close the app. You have to just close this app and turn off all the things. And here now what you have to do is, now disconnect, turn off the Wi-Fi. Now turn it on again. When you turn on your Wi-Fi again, now what we have done is, we have configured our bulb Wi-Fi to our home Wi-Fi. So now the default name of the bulb will not be shown here, and you will just see your home network. And what you have to do is, now connect to your home network only. That is, my home network is this, so I will connect it to this. So now I have connected to my home network. So yes, it is now connected to my home network. Now what we have to do is, so yes, the default name goes off automatically, as now bulb is configured to SpikingNet Technologies. So now we have to go into our app, that is SmartClick, and now you will automatically see your bulb here. Usually for the first step it takes times, then after, when it is configured properly, then it will not take time. If it doesn't work here, then what you have to do is just switch off your bulb for one time and switch it on again, and close the app and again open the app, SmartClick. So now you can see it, that you are connected to your home network. That is, the Wi-Fi is connected to my home network, and the bulb is showing here, and all the things you can properly see it, that you can adjust the brightness of the button of the bulb, the color of the bulb. So now what we have done is, we have configured this bulb to our home network. Now no need to go to default Wi-Fi of the Wi-Fi of the bulb, and it is now properly configured to our home network. So this was all, how to configure it to our home network, that is home Wi-Fi network. So in the next step, or the next video, we will see how we will configure it to Google Home or Alexa, so that you can turn on or off your bulb